Before beginning your repair, shut off the water supply and unplug the appliance. Pinch the spring clamp and remove the tailpipe from the flex coupler. Use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the screw and remove the flex coupler. Place the new flex coupler on the discharge outlet of the disposer. Begin threading the screw, then securely tighten the screw with the screwdriver. Insert the short end of the tailpipe into the flex coupler. Place the spring clamp over the flex coupler to secure the tailpipe.